Good noon, guys. Today I'm gonna cook longanisa pasta. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, tomato sauce, cheese, melted cheese, and then Parmesan cheese, the longanisa, butter, onions, garlic. Cooking inside, okay? Gonna add the butter. Okay, guys, and then saute the garlic. And then the onion. Longanisa. It smells yummy, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the pasta, guys. While making the sauce, it's boiling also here our pasta. Okay, add the black pepper. So there's a sweetness of that one, but it's yummy. And then we're gonna add okay, guys, look at that one. Cheese. And here's the pasta water. Okay, let's add pasta water. Parmesan cheese. Okay, let's add the pasta. Okay, pasta. Guys, that's our longanisa pasta. Because I forgot I said sausage pasta, but it's longanisa pasta. Okay, I try to taste, guys. Kari lang. It's yummy. And now, guys, our longanisa pasta, guys, it's done. And now, test again. Okay, so that's our longanisa pasta, guys. It's done. And it's super yummy, guys. So that's our longanisa pasta. Yummy. Yummy, and it's very quick. It's delicious, okay? And then thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.